Hi everyone, welcome to another gameplay of Foundation. Now, I've just been taking my time to get used to the controls, and it's been pretty addicting so far. As you can see, if you are a returning viewer, from the first time I built the city or my town, I've definitely expanded so far. The new things that I built are the sheep farms here. I really like how the design is with the sheep farms and how you can customize where you want the plains, how you want the plains to be like. I've slowly been trying to build up my town with the manor house, so the Great Hall, and I just built a tax office, which I know some of my citizens have not been happy about, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I need to expand. The only tough part is trying to get enough coins to manage. I really like how they built the wheat farms. You can also customize, paint the crop fields, so that way you can kind of design how you want your wheat farms to build up. Like, for example, here, paint crop field, and then you can just kind of scroll over and expand that like this. But let's see. I'm already running out of space in my warehouses. I think with the amount of resources I can. Nope. So I need to start creating bread or making bread, especially with clothing. I think the next thing I'm gonna be building is upgrading my wheat farm. Top here, unemployed. Let me see. Yeah, I need to further expand this for sure. But the area is too small. I just need to expand in general. You know what? I have 219 gold. Let me see if I can. Which one to pick? Oh yeah, that's right. I accidentally purchased this one. Note to self: don't click on this right here to purchase. Make sure you back out of it so that we're not wasting gold. Maybe here I could use this. I guess the biggest hurdle for me is just trying to find out some type of design, how I want my town to be like. But I'm just kind of free playing it just to kind of see where I get to. Guess we could start. Maybe right here. Might as well. All right, let's do this. The great thing about this game is that you can actually cut down all the trees here if you want to, and then decide to grow in a specific area where you want your forest area. I need more housing. No access to housing. Yep. I'm trying to think. Right here should be fine. Maybe cut down these trees over here. So that way I could expand this. Dang, I really want to demolish this housing. I guess it just seems too close and I can't overlap. It's not giving my workers some space for the sheep. Yep. Let me destroy this real quick. And Then here I could paint. So this whole area. Is that still too small? What? That's a large area. I don't understand. I hate to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So let's go rebuild the sheep farm and then see if that resets the area. There it is right here. Maybe in the center. Yep, that was good to me. Now I just gotta wait for the workers to rebuild it. Also built this right here too, just to see where it can get me. But oh wow, I just realized 50 out of 50. That was pretty quick. If I can find my warehouse. I need to build another warehouse. So that way I can make room for some fish. All right, so while that's under construction, I'm gonna start rebuilding my wheat farm. Let's go start building it. This is just the basics for now, but eventually I'm going to demolish and rebuild my town just to make it a little bit more presentable. But after a while, you start to collect these people right here. They will start to come. The more your town grows, and it's just addicting to click on them to accept because you need more workers eventually later on in the game. As you can see, all these icons here, they're all filled with resources. Yes, you are all welcome. Nope. Alright, let's go start building. Come on, where's my workers at? Alright, well, let's go start building. Actually, I might build another fish hut. Yep. Right here should be good. Get some good amount of fish going. And how come no one's building here yet? Wow, I just realized this button right here. Prioritize building. Let's do that. Common path tier 3 reached. And then it's growing into a wonderful place. New content is available. Alright, cool. Yeah, if you really want a peaceful type of game at your own pace, I recommend playing Foundation. The graphics doesn't seem too bad at all either. Unfortunately, there's no combat if you are into that type of game with a medieval city builder type of game. But I'm enjoying this and just kind of going along. Look at my little workers here. I like the level of detail too. It's for such a city builder type of game. Let me see if I could build a sawmill maybe. Start producing flour. Let's go maybe here. I really want to expand to here though and increase my wheat farm. But for now, I guess we can do this right here. Let's build that there. Let's just see if my sheep farm. Nah, it's prioritized. Oh, there we go. There's someone bringing the resources so that way they can start building this. So while that's being built, cut that down right here. Oops. Nope. I didn't mean to do that. So I'm just gonna hold the right mouse button down to cancel out the area. I really want to build that sheep. There it is. There we go. All right, while that's building for now, let me just increase the time by 2. That way it's built faster. And while that's building, let's go. Now let that wait. So I have 77 gold now. I just gotta wait for the trader to come through. Who's this guy? There we go. Oh, nice. And I see that the previous 2 NPCs that I selected are building. So now let me see if this works. I'm going to create this. How is this still kind of small of an area? That's a large area. There we go. Adequately size. Perfect. I think later on would be nice is to have it situated in a different spot away from like the town, so that way I could build a fence around it. Make it seem like the sheep won't escape. Look at that little guy. That's cool. There you go. The trader's coming right there. That little icon right here. Yep. Need that gold. The bishop is looking to build a few chapels. One of these merchants noticed your woodcutter camps. Hey, absolutely. I have a lot of wood. Giggity. And let's just see if they can. 30% chance the offer sweetens. Yeah, that's such a low chance. I'd rather just accept this. Once I accept that, I just click on the confirm button on the left side here. Since I already have the amount of wood for the bishop. Just like that, 200 gold. Yes, please. So now that my windmill is being built, I could start getting flour. Oh, I just realized too, the area is too small. Dang. Yep, I need a large open area. There we go. At least it's adequately sized. So now I can just focus on my sheep. It says no resources, but I mean, I have 0 right there. Alright, let's go build another one, I guess. I think the next one, I can't wait to start building a castle. Maybe this spot right here could be the wheats. Where I grow my wheats. And then I want to build a castle up here. I wonder if the road will come down the mountain though. But for now, I guess I'll just stick with this. Yeah, the map is pretty huge for its current size. I think right here would be a nice spot for a castle, actually. Right here on top of the hill. Around it would be like the wheat farms. Maybe some sheep. Yeah, maybe a manor house. If I go here... So I'll need to pay 25 gold to start building a monastery. The castle right here is what I want to start. pretty excited about that. There's a lot of upgrades too to the game. I think having a tavern, maybe a labor would be nice. It might be costly for a castle for the time being. So I think having this for now would be ideal. This has been already unlocked. Labor Splendor is earned from the most impressive buildings of the labor estate. Okay, so I guess I had to build up my manor house. Can I? Nope, I cannot unlock this yet because I need more splendor. Okay, so now that I have enough gold, I am going to start. I might just buy this land right here. Oh, there's the boundary right there. So I just realized that maybe just having this as the farm would be better. Then I can start creating maybe the castle on top of that hill. There's also a water source over here. There's the border. Yeah, it's a large open area. So that's where it ends. Yep, I think I'm gonna have my castle up here on that hill. It seems like it's the center point of the whole area. This would be a nice spot too, actually. Have a little bridge going down right here. You know what? I might just do that. Yeah, so that way the castle is just right there. I have my land over here. I guess go from there. How much workers that? 7 workers. I guess we can just fill that up for now just to see where it takes me. Oh yeah, because it builds up fast, actually, just realizing that. So hopefully these people can gather the wheat. All right. So it's only been 15 minutes already, and man, here we go, more people come. All right, so as my sheep farm is building up, hopefully soon I'll be able to make some clothing to sell. That way I just get to earn more gold. I have 400 gold so far, and that is racking up pretty quickly, actually. I need to start building more housing for some of the people that don't have any homes. 79% so far. I'm gonna have to build more markets for people to create more food. Dang, they already ate all of that. That was quick. All right, so I'll tell you what. I think the next time I'm going to start building up more of my wheat farm. I need to start expanding my territory, but let me know what you think I should build in the comments, and please don't forget to leave a like and hopefully subscribe. I think the next time I'm going to start, yep, definitely on my wheat farm. Looking at the progression. Nope, not the progression. Let's go with the trading right here. Nope, right here. Yeah, I definitely want to start building more wheat farms for the bread, actually. But yeah, let me know what you think. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace.